So in the previous video, we talked about the difference between measuring length versus area versus volume. Here we're going to dive a little bit deeper into measurements of perimeter versus area. Perimeter is that distance around the outside edge of a shape. So this is a measure of length. So we're going to use length for perimeter. And we're going to use just regular units. So for example, feet, inches, centimeters, things like that. And then for area, we are actually measuring the inside part of the shape, and we're measuring that in squares. So square units. So for area, we're measuring the amount of space inside the shape. And to measure that, we're using square units. So square feet, square inches, and square centimeters. Now, I have up here comparing calculations. So when we measure the perimeter, the outside edge, we're going to be measuring each side. So each side of the shape. So we're going to measure a side plus a side plus a side. It's almost as if you are walking around the outside of the shape when you're measuring perimeter. So if you can imagine yourself walking around each side and measuring that side and adding them all together. For area, instead of adding up all the sides, we're going to multiply the side times a side for area. And that is going to give us our square units, a side squared. So we are multiplying when we find the area, and we're adding when we find the perimeter. Hope that helps.